Today's session, Paul Catherall has come in to teach us his method of lino printmaking. I wrote about Paul Catherall in my essay in my last project, so it's going to be useful to get the kind of experience of working with a seasoned artist in the project ahead.
Hi, so I'm Paul Catherall and I'm a printmaker and illustrator, mainly known for doing stuff for London Transport. I predominantly work in lino cut.
The use of two inks that overlap in some places to create 3 or up to 4 colours on a single print, which is the trademark Paul Catherall method.
But in essence, it's a sophisticated potato print, basically.
Today's session was really an opportunity to work with a career artist, someone whose whole job is pursuing art.
In the time that we've had, the boys have done some pretty effective printmaking.
Yeah, I mean, it's been really enjoyable. It's been really cool hearing from Paul.
This whole day has been quite enriching.